For over 5 decades, this company has been providing innovative manufacturing solutions to efficiently assemble, move, and coat the quality products that support the world. Their skilled and diverse team is prepared to design, develop, and deploy, tackling the most complex applications and supporting industry growth. Join us in High Point, North Carolina, and meet the team at Air Power Manufacturing Solutions.
Air Power is a manufacturing solutions provider. We started in 1967. We're a family-owned business, and we started out of a desire to serve the manufacturing community, everything from golf balls to furniture to heavy truck and bus. We are unique in the way that we focus on our people. We're a very people-centric organization, whether that's our employees or our customers, and we look to build long-term relationships as we go through the manufacturing process.
We provide manufacturing solutions by promoting efficiency. Our desire is for our customers to maintain a positive uptime through the solutions that we offer. If you're a manufacturer and as part of your process, you assemble, move, or coat, we offer solutions to help you through that. We build positive relationships with our customers by our ability to understand our customers' processes and our multiple layers of support. We have localized account managers, backed by application engineers, design engineers, bench and field service. Our desire is to provide a local community of support through branches, localized inventory, on-site assistance, as well as design and engineering, so that you can be the most efficient manufacturer.
Our customers are all important to us, and they do a variety of things. Transportation is probably our biggest sector. Inside of that transportation sector, we have heavy truck and bus, aerospace, recreational vehicles, and then the tier suppliers to them.
I was actually a customer of Air Power's for 25 years. And during that time, what impressed me the most was the fact that I was more than a customer, I was a partner, and they went the extra mile to develop a relationship with me and my company. And now that I've been with Air Power for 4 years, now it's my opportunity to develop that relationship with our customers through our open lines of communication and project management and helping our customers solve their problems.
So working here at Air Power has been a huge blessing for myself and my family. Air Power has really pushed me to be the best that I can be. They have helped me grow professionally. They foster a really positive culture. We're really out here doing the best we can so that our customers, can be better as well.
What makes Air Power one of the world's greatest is really our people, our processes, and our partnerships. We work to build lasting relationships and trust both with our employees and our customers.